Hello everyone, today we bring you only the best of the best. Ulefone just unveiled the world's first 5G durable tablet, Armor Pad for Ultra series, which sets a new standard in durability and performance. Designed for demanding professional environments, this rugged tablet delivers impressive capabilities, cementing Ulefone's position as a market leader in durable devices. The Armor Pad for Ultra comes in two variants, a standard model and a model with a thermal camera like the one we have in today's test. So let's go and see what the most advanced tablet looks like today. As the first 5G rugged tablet on the market, the Armor Pad for Ultra series, the successor to the popular Armor Pad 3 Pro, sets a new standard for durability and performance. Along with our tablet, we also have some of accessories that you can buy with the Armor Pad series of tablets. We have a Ulefone 10-watt desk charging dock, as well as this tablet hand strap with kickstand. We will look all these things later, but now let's focus on unboxing the tablet. This is our tablet, and for now is going a bit to the side until we check the contents of this box. So we have a lot of paperwork, including this Armor Pad for Ultra series user manual written in many languages, multifunctional instructions, and a bunch of other instructions for this tablet, as well as this brochure that shows all the accessories you can buy, such as various endoscopic cameras, digital microscopes, cases and holders, full mounts, and much more that Ulefone offers. This is a SIM pin with extra screws for the holder, red USB Type-C cable for charging, 33-watt fast charger, a screwdriver which will be used for screw this leather electric holder onto this tablet. It serves as an excellent holder, especially somewhere at work or in the field where it's desirable to hold the tablet in one hand for practicality. So definitely this holder is a very useful accessory. Okay, that was contents of this box, and now let's have a look at the tablet. The design and the build of the tablet can only be described as an industrial elegance built for modern-day adventurers, engineers and the first responders, rugged, almost indestructible yet sophisticated enough to meet professional demands. The tablet feels like it was carved out of a single block of resilience. Its rubberized shell, reinforced with a durable polycarbonate and metallic accents, not only exudes toughness but provides a firm grip. Holding the Armor Pad for Ultra feels like gripping a precision tool designed to endure extreme challenges. It isn't just technology, it's rugged innovation at finest. The buttons and ports on this Ulefone Armor Pad for Ultra are carefully designed for rugged and practical use, ensuring accessibility and protection in harsh environments. On the right side of the tablet you will find the power button, which has a slightly textured surface for easy identification by touch. Below it's the volume button that allows quick and precise adjustment of sound levels. The left side features the orange programmable button. This button can be customized to perform various functions, such as launching the thermal imaging app, activating the SOS alert, or enabling push-to-talk communication. Its placement and flexibility makes it an indispensable tool for professionals working in the field, allowing quick access to essential features. Right next to it, it is the button that turns on and off the rear strong LED camping light. At the bottom of the tablet, securely covered by the robust rubber flap, lays the USB-C port. The 3.5mm headphone jack is also here, similarly sealed, ensures reliable audio connections without compromising durability. The SIM card and microSD tray is accessible via ejector tool and supports 2 dual SIM cards and 1 microSD card of up to 2TB for storage expansions, all at the same time. The bottom frame is the home of the pogo pin connector used for the dock station as well for the U-Smart connector, to which you can attach an endoscope, microscope or any other compatible devices. On the back, near the base, you'll find the 8-pin pogo connector designed for quick and secure attachment of accessories like docking stations or the optional Ulefone sound kit. This connector adds versatility, allowing the tablet to integrate seamlessly with additional tools for professional workflows. This tablet is designed to impress with its combination of high-quality display and advanced functionality. One of its standout features is the 32-megapixel front-facing camera, which delivers exceptional clarity for selfies, video calls, and secure facial unlocking. The 10.36-inch FHD Plus IPS LCD display, which combines durability and vibrant visuals with resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels, the screen offers sharp, detailed images and excellent clarity for reading, watching videos, or working on professional tasks. The aspect ratio of 5:3 and the 80% screen-to-body ratio create a comfortable viewing area, maximizing productivity and entertainment. The screen's 500 nits brightness ensures that it remains readable even under bright sunlight, making it a reliable companion in outdoor environments. The Corning Gorilla Glass 5 provides excellent protection against scratches and moderate impacts, while the pre-installed screen protector adds an extra layer of defense so you can start using it confidently right out of the box. Customization is another strong suit of the display. The settings menu allows you to adjust brightness, text and display size, screen timeout, and even fine-tune the color mode to suit your preferences. Features like adaptive brightness dynamically adjust to ambient light conditions, while dark mode and the night light reduce strain of your eyes during prolonged use. Whether you are engrossed in your favorite series, enjoying YouTube videos, or immersed in mobile gaming, the display enhances your content consumption experience. The combination of size, resolution, and color accuracy makes it a versatile and enjoyable screen for a wide range of activities, both at work and the field, as well as the home. Running the software side, Armor Pad 4 Ultra is based on the latest pure Android 14, so we are covered with the latest Google features and possibilities. The wireless connectivity options of the model include NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi Direct, and CAST display. The tablet also supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou. Our review unit managed to detect a large number of satellites from all 4 positioning systems with excellent accuracy of up to 1 meter. The Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra delivers reliable performance powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset built on a 6nm process for efficiency and speed. Its octa-core CPU combines 2 high-performance Cortex-A76 cores, 2.4 GHz, with a 6 power-efficient Cortex-A55 cores, 2 GHz, ensuring smooth multitasking and energy-saving operation. Dual-mode Mali-G57 GPU handles graphics, delivering stable performance for gaming, video playback, and visual-heavy tasks like thermal imaging analysis. The tablet includes 8GB of RAM, expandable virtually by another 8GB, providing up to 16GB of memory in total for demanding applications. With 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, expandable with microSD card of up to 2TB, there is ample room for apps, files, and media. This configuration ensures fast 5G connectivity, seamless multitasking, and dependable performance for both professional and casual use, whether you are analyzing data, streaming content, or playing graphically demanding games. On the back, the tablet comes equipped with the impressive 1100 lumens max brightness LED light on its back, transforming the tablet into a versatile lighting tool. This feature is designed not only for convenience but also adds functionality in professional and outdoor settings. The tablet transforms into a multifunctional lighting tool, replacing the need for flashlight, headlight, or portable camping light thanks to its built-in LED light. With just a simple tap of the one key lightning button through the exclusive app, you are able to access a bright, durable light source instantaneously. The Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra is equipped with a professional-grade thermal-view thermal imaging sensor. This sensor captures thermal signatures at the resolution of 160 by 120 pixels. Offering detailed heat detection capabilities, it supports a temperature range of -10 to 550 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for industrial inspections, electrical maintenance, and search and rescue operations. The accompanying software allows the real-time heat mapping, temperatures measurement, and analysis, enhancing its usability for professionals. So here you can see which pipes have cold and hot water. The possibilities of examples are unlimited. This thermal imaging system is seamlessly integrated into the rugged tablet for durability and portability, making this tablet part of the professional equipment. The Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra features a 50-megapixel primary rear camera designed for capturing sharp and vibrant images even in challenging conditions. This sensor ensures excellent clarity, making it suitable for both professional documentation and personal photography. The camera supports a maximum of 4K video recording at 30 fps, delivering high-resolution detailed videos with a smooth playback, perfect for capturing professional-grade footage or outdoor adventures. To get a feel for the camera performance, it's the best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using this Ulefone Armor Pad 4 Ultra, so let's take a look. The Ulefone Armor Pad for Ultra is equipped with a powerful 11,800 mAh battery, making it ideal for prolonged usage in demanding environments. This massive capacity ensures extensive operation time, supporting up to 7 days on regular use and a single charge. Moreover, the new solid battery breaks through the cold with reliable performance even in freezing temperatures down to -30 degrees Celsius. For charging, the tablet supports 33-watt fast wireless charging, significantly reducing downtime when recharging. Additionally, it includes a 5-watt reverse charging feature, enabling the device to act as a power bank, providing emergency power to older devices via USB Type-C connection. The tablet supports 10-watt dock charging, with Ulefone providing a dedicated dock charger that is subject to a separate purchase. This 10-watt desk charging dock for the Ulefone Armor Pad for Ultra is a sleek and multifunctional accessory designed for simplifying charging, while doubling as a stylish tablet stand. Using a pogo pin contact charging, it allows for effortless wireless power by simply placing the tablet in a cradle, no cables as required. This tablet also has an impressive benchmark for durability, built to withstand the toughest conditions. With IP68 and IP69K ratings, it offers superior, powerful and dustproof protection, ensuring that it thrives even in the harshest environments. It also meets the rigorous Mali-G57 810H standard, making it drop resistant and capable of handling extreme shocks and vibrations, further enhancing its robustness. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this tablet is an ideal companion for activities like hiking, camping or exploring rugged terrains. Its Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front protection ensures that the screen is protected against scratches and accidental drops, adding an extra layer of reliability. To complement its rugged design, the Ulefone hand strap with the kickstand offers a practical and comfortable solution for extended use. This accessory provides a secure hand strap to reduce the risk of drops, making it especially useful for professionals working in a tough environment. The integrated kickstand allows for hands-free weaving, perfect for video calls, watching media and presentations. Together with the tablet, it enhances your experience, making it easier to use the Armor Pad for Ultra with confidence whenever you're on the job or enjoying your outdoor adventures. The Armor Pad for Ultra is a rugged and versatile tablet designed for tough environments. With the high waterproof and dustproof ratings, along with military standard drop resistance, it's built to handle extreme conditions, making it ideal for outdoor activities and fieldwork. It features a large, vibrant display, low-lasting battery life, and powerful cameras, including a thermal camera for specialized tasks. The tablet is complemented by a bunch of accessories offering enhanced usability and comfort for professionals and adventurers alike. So, the official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them. Hurry up and get your new Ulefone Armor Pad for Ultra thermal tablet today at the promotional price, because now is a chance to get yourself this exceptional device. That will be all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video review. Bye.